10, exercise number 5.4, question number 4. If the straight line 12y minus is equal to minus of p plus 3 into x plus 12, and then another equation is 12x minus 7y is equal to 16 are perpendicular, then find p value. The condition is both these equations are perpendicular. Then we want to find the value of p. Here this is the given equation. For the solution, I take this x value to this side, we get, here we have minus, right? So we get plus p by 3 into x plus 12y is equal to 12. This is the first equation. The second equation, as it is, I take it as 12x minus 7y is equal to 16 as second equation. From equation number 1, we know the slope formula. Slope is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, or otherwise minus a by b. Either we can use minus a by b or coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. See, here formula we have minus. What is the coefficient of x? P plus 3 divided by, what is the coefficient of y? 12. Let me take it as, this is the slope m1. By the second equation, we have the same formula. Slope is equal to, slope m2 is equal to minus a by b, right? So we have the form, so it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? Or otherwise we can say it is a coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, right? Now here the place of a is 12, in formula we have minus, and then the place of b is minus 7. So minus 12 divided by minus 7 is equal to 12 divided by 7, that is m2, right? By the perpendicular condition, we know the formula m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Now m1 is equal to minus of p plus 3 divided by 12 into m2 is equal to 12 divided by 7 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to solve this two. Here 12 is cancelled, and then minus of p plus 3 is equal to, I take this 7 to another side, means it is in the multiplication, minus 7. Now both sides we have the negative symbol, right? So leave the negative symbol, so cancel that negative symbol. P plus 3 is equal to 7, then p is equal to 7 minus 3, p is equal to 4 is the answer. This is the value of p when the two equations are perpendicular. Thank you, students. Hi students, class 10, exercise number 5.4, question number 5. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point p of minus 5, 2 and parallel to the line joining the point, that is x and r is given. See, the given condition is, this is, we take it as x and r. The point passing through the point P is, wherever it is passing through, that is the P point is minus 5, 2. This is parallel to this line. The condition is parallel to this line. So here the 2 point is given. Either we can find the equation of this line, and applying the parallel formula, change in the constant term, we can able to find this equation, or otherwise by using the slope. Here by using the 2 point, we can able to find the slope, and this slope is parallel to this, means that is both slopes are equal, right? Then one slope and point is known, means we can use the point slope form. Here I am going to use the point slope form. See, this is the given points. By the solution, first I take the QR point to find the slope QR. We know that when 2 points are given, we have the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is the formula. The first point has x1, y1, second point has x2, y2. The slope is q and r. y2 is here 4 minus y1 is minus 2. Here minus into minus plus, I take it as 2. Then x2 is minus 5. x1 is 3, here we have formula minus, so minus 3. This term is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by minus 8. It can be simplified, then we get minus 3 by 4. the slope is minus 3 by 4, that is QR slope. By the condition, by parallel slope QR is equal to, let me take it as the point AB, right? Slope QR is equal to slope AB, right? The condition is M1 is equal to M2. Then if you take this slope as M1 means, then M2 also the same. So minus 3 by 4 is equal to M2. Therefore here we know the point slope M2 is equal to minus 3 by 4, and then one of the point P is given minus 5 by 2. By using the slope and point, right? Point slope form, we know the formula y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Here m2, m both are the same, right? Y minus, let me take it as x1, y1. Y1 is 2 is equal to slope m is equal to minus 3 by 4, and then x minus x1 is equal to minus 5. Here also we have minus, so minus into minus plus 5. I directly write the values here. Now take this 4 to this side. 4 into y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 into x plus 5. Multiply the term inside. 4y minus 8 is equal to minus 3x minus 15. Minus into plus is minus. 3 5s are 15. Now I take this whole term because here we have x as negative value. So I take this term to the left hand side. We get 3x plus 15. Here already we have plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Then 3x plus 4y, 15 minus 8 is 7. That is plus symbol is the highest number. So plus 7. So 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. Thank you, students.